Welcome back to the channel. Here in the garage, working on the cars on a Saturday morning, afternoon. Going to do some new Ford Emblems on the F150. Got them Etsy. So we'll get to some work out here in the garage, in the driveway, with the Leadfoot family, and see how it goes. Let's get to it. See, what a lot of people do is just break this thing out of here. I don't know if there's a way I can save it. I wanted to save as much as I could and not break too much of this thing. This little, that's just basically a guide that broke off. But all these little clips I was able to save and should be able just to push right back on. So I was able to save all those little clips. If I need to ever put this back on for anything, I can do it. So they're intact. This middle one was the only one that was a pain to get off, but I can squeeze this back together. And reinstall it. Push it back on. Yeah, once you get it out, all you got to do is line it up, push it right in. Easy as that. It goes in real easy. It's difficult to get out. We'll go ahead and put this tailgate back together. And I think that turned out pretty good. Matches the F150 inserts, blacked out. Rear emblem now. Very nice. We're going to see what it takes to get this front one done. I'm going to see if I can get it off without taking the grill out. So, see what I can do. See if I can get to it from the top somehow. Not sure. We'll see how it goes. We'll see if there's some sort of easy way to get this thing, get to the back of the grill. But I don't know. So what I'm doing is I'm sticking an extension through the grills on the inside. They come off with a 10 millimeter. They're just hand tight. And then I'll pick the nut up with a magnet. So you can work it from the top here. And then I think it comes right off. So that's all to it. You got three holes there. I was able to work through, you know, it's tight in there. You got to work through the fins that are in there, and you can loosen them up with a 10 millimeter and an extension, and just grab them with this magnet extension here, and go ahead and get this new one on. So it's tedious, but it does work. You don't have to take the grill off. I'm just going to grab a microfiber cloth and I'll put it over the front, so when I'm leaning on it, it won't scratch it up. What I'm also going to do is start this nut on here. So it gives something to grab. Because it will thread it. You can see the threads going. So I don't have to cut these threads in while I'm messing with this thing in there, because there isn't a whole lot of room to mess with. So get it started. That should be good. Let's get this thing installed. Push it in from the front. Hold it with my body. This is going to be a little tricky, because what I'm going to do is put this washer on the magnet and see if I can hold it over the threads. Let me get it lined up. See if I can hold it over the threads and then screw it on. Which looks like it's working. All right. Go ahead and hold the outside. And these are just plastic, so it's not gonna, you don't have to really bear down on it. Just hand tight like that. Got the first one in. The other nut, put it on the end of the magnet. Get the socket through the right. Fin, and that should be it. Line it up and screw it on. Man, that's working perfect. All right, that's number 2. I will put the camera over here. All right, so this last one, we'll do the same thing. We'll get the nut centered on the magnet. Try to line this up the best we can. All right, got it on. Tighten it down. We should be in business. that's it. They're all tight. And that's the finishing touch right there. Blacked out front emblem. Go with the flag. Looks nice. Sets it off. And saved both original emblems. So there we go. Shelby sitting here, hanging out. And wipe the sweat off my face because it's warm. But I'm gonna call it a day. Got the emblems on the truck, both front and back. Was able to get that front one on without taking the grill off. So that was nice. So I'll go ahead and get everything back together and call it a day. I want to thank everyone for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And until next time, take care.